Hi everybody, I'm going to discuss union operator in DBMS. Union operator. Subject is DBMS and the topic is the relational algebra. First point. It is a binary operator. It is a binary operator. Number 2. It is used to select all rows or tuples from two tables or relation. It is a binary operator. It is used to select all tuples from two tables or relations. It is denoted by U. Syntax is it is denoted by U. Syntax is table 1, table name 1, union table name 2. Table name 1, union table name 2. Constraint mean rules in two relation. Constraint in two relation must have same attribute, same set of attributes, and their domain should be same. So constraint, the both relation must have same attribute. Suppose एक टेबिले ABC attribute আছে, second টেবিলে ABC attribute থাকতে হবে, because attribute গুলো যেন সেম থাকে, and A যদি varchar হয় B A next টেবিলে এটা varchar হতে হবে, B যদি numeric number হয় B number হতে হবে, same compatible হতে হবে. So this is the constraint for the union operator. Suppose R is the relation, union S is the relation and the relation, then it will display those tuple T that are either belong to R or either belong to S. So those tuple will be displayed that are either belong to R or either belong to S or both. And R and S must have, this is the rule, must have same number of attributes, and attribute domains must be compatible. Attribute domain must be compatible. So this is the constraint for the union operator. Let us consider the example. Suppose the table R consists of A, B and C, and S consists of same set of attribute, that is A, B, C. Now R consists of A 170, B 280, C 390, and S consists of A 170, B 280 and D 5492. When you perform the union operation, that is R union S, it will display the common field as well as the uncommon field, that is A, B, C. It will display A, B, C. A 170 is in both tuple, B 280 in both tuple, there are C 390 and D 492. So it will display either this table or both or those table. Now when you perform relational algebra, then it will be like this: A, B, C from R relation, and there is a union operator, that is union operator by A, B, C, then S table. It will display all tuples here. Then the union operation will perform the common attribute, either this one table or either this one first table or the second table or both. So this is the concept of union operator. Let us consider another example. The first table is, suppose table name is student 1. The first table name is student 1 and the next one is student 2. And this consists of name, roll and marks. Name, roll, marks. And the second one consists of name, roll and marks. First table consists of name, roll, marks. Second one consists of name, roll, marks. A170, these are the Amit, suppose Amit 170, Shumit 280, Romit 390, here Amit 170, Sumit 280, Ravi 492. Then when we perform the union between these two tables, that is pi, when you perform pi, name, roll, marks, table name is student 1, and there's the union between another table, that is name, roll, marks, attribute set is common, and the table name is student 2. It will perform the union between these two tables. So this is the union operation.